Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Fortinet firewall step by step. First, carefully unpack your new FortiGate device and all its accessories. Locate the power adapter and connect it securely to the firewall and a reliable power source. Next, take an Ethernet cable and connect one end to your computer. Plug the other end into the FortiGate's dedicated internal port, often labeled Internal or Port 1, to establish a direct connection for initial setup. This ensures you can access the device's configuration interface. Now that your computer is connected, you need to access the FortiGate's web-based manager. First, ensure your computer's network adapter is set to obtain an IP address automatically using DHCP. Then, open your preferred web browser and type in the default FortiGate IP address, which is typically 192.168.1.99. When prompted, enter the default username, admin, and leave the password field blank for your very first login. This grants you access to the configuration interface. Once you've logged in, your immediate priority is to secure the device. Change the default administrator password to a strong, unique one right away. Next, configure the FortiGate's external, or WAN, interface with the correct network settings provided by your internet service provider to establish internet connectivity. Finally, create a fundamental security policy that permits outbound traffic from your internal network to the internet. This essential step ensures your devices can communicate externally while maintaining basic protection. With the basic configuration complete, it's time to verify everything is working correctly. Test internet connectivity from a computer or device connected to your internal network. If successful, proceed to register your FortiGate device on the FortiCare portal. This is crucial for receiving support, firmware updates, and security services. Finally, begin exploring the FortiGate's extensive advanced features, such as virtual private networks, antivirus, and intrusion prevention, to further enhance your network's security posture. You're now well on your way to a secure network.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.